Well, we do continue to see the snow falling out there, and this is a big storm. I mean, and that's why we have so many more hours of snow to go, because all this moisture has to work its way through. You know, if you melted this down, it's going to be like 1.5 to 2 inches of rain, which would be a heavy summer rainstorm. Now we add the cold to it. In addition to that, we're adding super cold air to it, because this is a very cold environment. A lot of times when we get snow around here, it's like 32, 31 degrees, barely at the freezing mark. But in this case, we're below zero this morning, and some places are still into the single digits out there. So here's where the snow is right now. You can see the heavier bands. See how this moisture is just kind of lifting its way up all the way through. Eventually, it will drag some dry air in here, which is why the snowfalls will taper off later on tonight. But we still have snow coming in here for tomorrow as well. Visibilities down to a quarter mile everywhere. A few places are still holding on to 3/4 of a mile visibility, mainly down toward Chatham, but that'll be filling in. And you see how we're ramping up right now, and the intensity will stay with us until after midnight, and then the intensity will begin to drop off at that point. So let me show you what's going to be happening as we head through the day today. Here's around 4 o'clock. Notice the temperatures, how they're warming up right through here. That's that warm air trying to work its way in. But inland, you're still cold. 8 degrees in Worcester, and this is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. This cold air does not want to give up. This warm air wants to push its way in. That boundary line is where we're likely to see the heaviest snow. And that boundary line is really where I think we'll probably see 2 feet of snow falling out of the whole thing. So what happens as we go through the evening? 6 o'clock, that warm air still trying to push in, pushing some very heavy snow here right along the 495 belt. And then watch this area down here to the south. See how these temperatures are starting to warm, and they warm a little bit more? Well, it's warming aloft quite a bit. And so that means it starts to snow, melts, freezes again, and then hits the ground as sleet. And you can tell it's sleet because it bounces off you. Snowflakes fall gently and land on you. Sleet bounces. And it just tells you it's more like an ice pellet than anything else. And because of that, it won't stack up the snow as much. It won't be as deep, but it's every bit as slick. And it's hard to move, and it's actually heavy. So in many cases, even though we're talking about less snow here, it's going to weigh more than what it is out here, where it's more of a light, fluffy snow as you look out, say, toward Orange and Fitchburg. Up around the Route 2 corridor, very powdery snow, but still plenty of it. All right, when does this thing start to taper off? Well, after midnight, around 2 in the morning, we're kind of bringing the totals down, and so it's more of a gentle, light snow that we're talking about. But we're not done yet, because as we get to the morning, we have a little bit of enhancement. Remember that wind is coming off the ocean. We're getting some snow at 7 in the morning. We're getting some snow out here through the Berkshires as well. This will work its way this way. This will continue to do this. And that's why tomorrow we could pick up another 3-4 inches of snow out of this whole thing. Now, eventually this does get out of here, but your Monday evening commute is still going to have plenty of snow with it. I don't think there's going to be much of a commute tomorrow. None tomorrow morning. Very limited one as we head for tomorrow afternoon. And then eventually tomorrow night, it finally moves out of here, and we're down to a few flurries. But you get the idea. We've still got another 18 hours of snow to go through before it's all over with. The most intense will be between now and midnight, but even after that, we still got a little bit of snow coming in. 18 to 24 inches. I think more and more places are going to be seeing that. We'll kind of put it a little bit less down to the south, and certainly over the southeastern part, 6 to 12 inches of snow. But remember, it's sleet down here, so it's not going to be any big picnic that we're talking about. It's still some pretty cold weather that we're talking about moving in. So you see how the snow intensity picks up. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon, generally about 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground, 7 inches out towards Worcester, and then it just kind of keeps building up as we head through the night. By 9 o'clock, we're going to be looking at maybe a foot of snow out of the whole thing as you look inland, and then we'll just keep adding to it. And that's why I say, before it's all over with, anywhere between 18 and 24 inches of snow seems very likely as we go to some places.